Weather makes you lazy, especially when it's hot and hazy, and you gotta lay down now. Find a big magnolia, crawl out in the clover, now you got that natural cage style.
You ain't gotta worry, you can just lay back, son. It's mostly just according to the way you feel when you're drowning in the air.
In the springtime when the water's high, you can catch a tan on the Amy River sand. Once the sun it takes us for a ride.
And you ain't gotta worry, you can just lay back, son. It's mostly just like going through the way you feel when you're down in the
Oh, won't you have us sing, y'all? You won't believe it in the springtime. Good times and bad, it's the best we ever had, y'all. And I pray God bless this state of mine. Whoa, I'm going back down to Louisiana. big fat lazy behind propped up on a big magnolia tree, sucking on Crawford's head and living free. Yes, sir.